How to extract zip files on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I will simply show you how you can extract zip files on your Android, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to extract zip files on Android, you need an extracting application that helps you extract and then compress or decompress those zip files. Now on many of the Android phones these days, your default file manager application which you get with your system UI is also able to go ahead and then extract those files. But in most of the cases, your file manager application could not support extracting those zip files. Well, in that case, you can simply take the help of a third-party application. So for that, you want to just open up your Play Store, and then in the search box, you just want to type in Z-Archiver. I'll make sure to also drop a link down below to download this application, which is called Z-Archiver. It is available for absolutely free. It's just like a file manager application. All you have to do is just download this application, and once you download this, I'm going to go ahead and then open it up. And now once you've opened this Z-Archiver application, it looks just like your normal file manager application but with a different UI. And in order to extract your zip files, first of all you have to navigate to the file location where your zip file is located. Now in my case, it is right under the downloads folder, so I will go to the downloads folder, and here you can see the zip file over here. Now it could be a RAR file, it doesn't necessarily have to become a zip file, it could be any compressed file in any format. And once you find the zip file, just tap on it, and then here you'll find many options such as extract or extract to. Now personally, I like selecting it to the extract to folder. What extracting to does is that it is going to create a separate folder with this similar file name. It is going to place all of the files inside that folder, as you can see over here. If I selected extract only, it was going to extract all of these files right over here outside without creating a separate folder. But anyway, this is how you can go ahead and compress those zip files. As you can see, depending upon what the zip file actually has, you'll be able to extract them. You'll find the option called extract, and then you'll have the option to use those relatively as well. And that's all it takes to extract your zip files on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.